There's a different kind of fine line coloring pen making waves in the art world. Magnetips are colored markers made for fidgeting. Each of the quality felt tip pens has a polarized magnet embedded at each end, so they snap together side by side and stack on top of one another with ease. Add a set of chrome balls and you'll have so much fun fidgeting that you might just forget that they're markers fit for an artist. Color your stress away or create the next big superhero sensation.
He's Fart Man! His superhuman flatulence silently neutralizes the bad guys.
Yeah, and he's a part of the BO cinematic universe. And I think I'm onto $1 billion franchise opportunity here.
Pick up Magnetips to have fun sketching and keep the fun going when you're slacking off. Buy Magnetips and hundreds more gifts at VAT19.com.
These are really cool pens. Stick around for a few more videos of equally cool pens. There's a pretty good chance you haven't seen these videos yet. And most of the videos are really good, so you're going to enjoy yourself. Stick around. Thanks for watching.
Somewhere between a pen and a pencil, but much cooler, is the inkless metal pen. With its patented alloy tip, you're literally writing in metal, not ink or graphite. Pencil marks smudge easily, which is especially frustrating if you write left-handed. But marks from the inkless metal pen are virtually smudge-proof, and they're permanent, so they can't be erased. When you write or draw with the metal pen, so little alloy comes off that it never gets dull. You can, however, get a finer point by using a little sandpaper. Regular pens can leave ink stains on skin and clothing if you're not careful. The inkless metal pen will never embarrass you like that. In fact, you'll be cooler just for using it. Dude, what are you doing?
Oh, just writing with metal underwater.
I don't know why you'd need to do that, but that's awesome. Awesome indeed. The length of the metal pen from its stainless steel barrel to the alloy tip is just over 6 inches. The metal tip contains a tiny amount of lead. Although it fully complies with EPA safety standards, the pen is not recommended for children. For your sake, though, we brought in an expert to dispel any worry. Look, the amount of lead in the tip is so minuscule that it's no more harmful than any other metal, like gold. You're not afraid of getting your hands on some gold, right? Take Scrooge McDuck. That guy f***ing swims in that shit. And last time I checked, he was fine. The inkless metal pen. Buy it now at VAT19.com. Can I say f***ing?
VAT19.com.
Introducing the 7-Year Pen, a ballpoint pen with enough ink to last 7 years. It's no secret VAT19 likes jumbo stuff.
When I'm jotting it down, we do a jumbo.
Hold up. That pen is not jumbo, son.
Actually, it is. Let me tell you more about it. Thanks, me. While the 7-Year Pen appears normal size on the outside, it has a jumbo ink cartridge that dwarfs an ordinary pen's. You'd throw away dozens of these before you could use up one of these bad boys. So when you think about it, the 7-Year Pen is probably doing more for the environment than this guy.
Save the trees, man! Trees have souls! Unlike you corporate pig!
With the 7-Year Pen, you can mark over 2.5 miles without running out of ink. That means you could draw 4 life-size outlines of the Empire State Building and still have ink left to sketch a giant gorilla. The pens have a modern Swiss design with fun motifs, so you'll actually want to keep a hold of them for 7 years. And who knows, we might all have brain-chip cell phones by then.
If you do that, maybe. Hold call. I was not talking to you. I'm on the phone.
Hold call. I was not talking to you either. I am on the phone also. Resume call. I don't know. Some guy in the cafe.
Hold call. What?
Maybe vintage websites will be cool.
Ha 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 ha. Aha. Oh, hamster dance.
But one thing's for sure, 7 years from now, you could still be using the same pen. See all the styles and buy the 7-Year Pen now at VAT19.com.
VAT19.com.
Explore new forms of art when you create with the Dots pen. The tip of this electric pen moves up and down, letting you draw with a series of tiny dots. You can create stunning stippled images easier and faster than ever before.
VAT19. I don't need no fancy drawing tool. I made my own power pen right here. I also made my own dot-to-dot adventure. Cross promo.
The pen has a high speed to quickly fill large areas, a low speed for detail work, and a USB cable to stay charged. Buy the electric Dots pen and shop for hundreds more gifts at vat19.com.
vat19.com.
Believe it or not, this is an ink pen. The Polar Pen is a writing instrument that practically demands you play with it. Instead of friction or glue, the pen keeps itself together using the power of magnetism. The Polar Pen is made from 13 rare earth magnets forming a tube that surrounds the ink cartridge. Black gel ink produces super smooth writing, and a fine ballpoint is ideal for sketching. The pen's unique, segmented form also helps you do more with less. But the Polar Pen isn't just for marking on paper. The built-in stylus helps you use a phone or tablet even while wearing gloves. When you're not marking, the Polar Pen is a field day for fidgeters. Try rearranging the magnets in different ways for an interesting effect. The nickel-coated magnets are strong enough to stay together for a lifetime, but the magnets won't damage your electronic devices. Rethink what a pen can do with the magnetic Polar Pen. Buy it now at vat19.com.
vat19.com. Long before the days of texting and status updates, people actually took the time to write stuff with ink, by hand. In honor of this awesome lost art, we introduce the Feather Pen Set. Nothing against ballpoint pens, but there's something mysteriously addictive about writing like it's $17.99. The Feather Pen Set includes everything you need: a vial of burnt sienna ink, a wooden pen, a quill feather pen, 7 different metal nibs, and a gift box. The goose feather quill and wooden pen each receive metal nib attachments, which produce different widths of ink on the page. The vial provides plenty of burnt sienna colored ink for scrawling distinctive compositions, and the artful design of the storage box completes this gift-worthy set. Make every letter count with the Feather Pen Set. Buy it now at vat19.com. vat19.com.